Hello my YouTube fam, Namaste, Aadab, Sat Sri Akal. So I'm back again with yet another interesting video. Wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. About Independence Day, 15th August 1947 is the day embossed in the golden history of India. The Independence Day is celebrated on August 15th every year to commemorate Indians' freedom from the British rule in 1947. The Independence Day also marks the anniversary of undivided India's partition into India and Pakistan. It is the day when India got its freedom from the 200 years of British rule. It was a hard and long non-violent struggle in which many freedom fighters and great men sacrificed their lives for our beloved motherland. What happens on Independence Day? Every year, the Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at Delhi's Red Fort and makes an address to the nation, which is followed by a military parade. The President of India also delivers the address to the nation. Speech in honor of the occasion. 21 gunshots are fired. Day is observed as a national holiday across India, with offices, banks and post offices remaining closed. Independence Day is observed with flag hoisting ceremonies, parades and cultural events in all Indian states and union territories. The national anthem is sung on this day. Flag raising ceremonies and drills are also conducted in every corner of the country. Indians make an effort to dress in a specific way to celebrate their nation and culture. Kite flying is another tradition that is followed on Independence Day, with people of all age groups as participants. It represents the freedom that we achieved on this day. Foreign dignitaries are also invited to this occasion. Tributes are paid to the freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives during the struggle. Special programs like planting trees are taken up on this day. The young mind is infused with a sense of patriotism and nationalistic feelings. To celebrate this occasion, sports and cultural competitions are conducted and prizes are awarded to the winners. Even television channels and radio programs are charged up with patriotism. The channels telecast movies and documentaries based on patriotic themes in order to let the people and children know about various incidents of our freedom struggle and to inspire a love for our motherland. Background of the Independence Day. India's struggle for independence started in 1857 with a Sepoy mutiny in Meerut, and it gained momentum after the First World War. During the Second World War in 1942, the Indian Congress launched the Quit India movement, demanding an end to the British rule, which prompted colonial rulers detecting many campaigners, nationalists and ministers including Gandhiji. During the partition of India in 1947, violent riots, mass casualties and displacement of nearly 15 million people took place amid religious violence. Guys, it's really sad. Significance. This day reminds us of all the sacrifices that were made by our freedom fighters in order to set India free from British rule. 15th August is a national holiday, and the day is then celebrated with flag hoistings, parades and cultural events. Time for some facts. Number 1. India has been independent for 75 years. India is named after the river Indus. Number 2. India has had 14 Prime Ministers, out of which one has been a female Prime Minister. Guys, comment down below if you know who is the female Prime Minister. Number 3. India has had 13 full-time presidents, out of which only one has been a woman. Guys, do you know who is she? Comment down below. Number 4. India's national anthem was adopted 3 years of post-independence. Number 5. The Indian national flag was designed by Pingali Venkaya, who was one of the freedom fighters from Andhra Pradesh. Number 6. The Independence Day also marks the anniversary of undivided India's partition into India and Pakistan. Number 7. Mahatma Gandhi wasn't able to celebrate the first Independence Day in Delhi. Number 8. Although the Indian Independence Act was approved on 18 July 1947, Lord Mountbatten chose 15th August as the date of Indian independence. Number 9. The national song Vande Mataram, composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, was indeed part of his novel Anand Math, written in the 1880s. Number 10. Apart from India, other countries celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. These include North Korea, South Korea, Republic of Congo, Bahrain and Liechtenstein. Number 11. Even after India attained independence on 15th August 1947, Goa was still a Portuguese colony. It was annexed to India by the Indian troops only in 1961. Thus, Goa was the last state to join the Indian territory. Number 12. The Indian flag is manufactured and supplied from only one place in the country, the Karnataka Khadi Gram Udyog Samyukta Sangha, located in Dharwad, Karnataka, has the authority to manufacture and supply the Indian flag. Number 13. The Indian national flag, with 3 horizontal stripes of red, yellow and green, was hoisted on 7th August 1906 at Percy Bagan Square, Kolkata. The current flag, with saffron, white and green stripes with The 24-spoke Ashok Chakra was officially adopted on 22nd July 1947 and hoisted on 15th August 1947.